Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Celebrity Glorious. Hope you are doing good. So without further ado, let's have a talk regarding Ares Bulut İnanımlı's lifestyle and short biography. Ares Bulut İnanımlı is a Turkish actor widely considered as one of the most talented Turkish actors. İnanımlı has won numerous accolades for his acting since the beginning of his career. He is best known for his performances in the television series Öyle Bir Geçer Zaman Ki, Muhteşem Yüzyıl, Marul, Ayserde, and Sukur. If you are new to Celebrity Glorious channel, then tap on the subscribe button and press the notification bell to watch more amazing celebrity video updates. So let's know in details about Ares Bulut İnanımlı's biography. His real full birth name is Ares Bulut İnanımlı and his nickname is Ares. He is an actor. His ethnicity is white and zodiac sign is Virgo. Ares is now 29 years old according to his birth date. When it comes to his origin, he was born in Istanbul, Turkey. He is a Turkish by nationality. Moving on to his education. Ares Bulut İnanımlı studied at the Istanbul Technical University's Department of Airplane Engineering. Educational qualification: he is a graduate. Ares Bulut İnanımlı's net worth as in 2020 is $5 million approximately. Let's talk about Ares Bulut İnanımlı's physical states and identical features. His body type: slim, height 5 feet 10 inches, weight 70 kg. Ares' distinctive features: charming personality, eye color blue with a hint of brown, and hair color light brown. Social media profiles: Ares Bulut İnanımlı has 330k followers in Twitter and 7.7 million followers in Instagram. Moving on to Ares Bulut İnanımlı's movies and TV shows. The Pit, Sukur 2017, Magnificent Century 2011, Öyle Bir Geçer Zaman Ki 2010, Are We Okay? Tamam Mıyız 2013, Marty'lerin Efendisi 2017, Seven Kogustaki Misses 2019. Moving on to Ares Bulut İnanımlı's favorite things. Favorite movie: The Godfather 1972. Favorite drink: iced tea. And favorite food: broccoli. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Celebrity Glorious. Make sure to subscribe our channel. We will be back with another video. Thank you.